Palestine, a country constantly in crisis, with the West Bank under occupation and Gaza under blockade. Resources are stretched, and without access to medical supplies, building material, and even water, the people live trapped. These challenges, coupled with regular attacks on the Gaza Strip, mean that thousands of civilians, especially children, are left with no access to adequate healthcare, leading to the unnecessary loss of life. Just recently, over 30 people have been killed in Gaza, and hundreds were left injured. Hospitals in Gaza are under severe pressure, and many children need specialist treatment which just isn't available in the Gaza Strip. For these children, the only lifeline is a difficult journey to the West Bank. We are working with the Makassed Islamic Charitable Hospital in East Jerusalem, a life-saving source of care for countless people across Palestine. Equipped with an intensive care unit for sick children, this hospital is saving the lives of children in need, 60% of whom are from Gaza. However, the hospital routinely rejects applications from hundreds of children who need treatment because their Paediatric intensive care unit simply doesn't have the capacity to treat any extra children. This is where you come in. With your help, we will be able to provide extra urgently needed equipment to expand the services provided by the Paediatric intensive care unit and save more lives. We will also be providing spaces for families of children in their care. Will you help a child in need? Donate and help save lives today.